sour-filled crazy shakes at Black Tap. Let's check it out.
Welcome to Black Tap Craft Burgers and Beer, which has made its way from its super famous location in New York all the way to the Las Vegas Strip at the Venetian. The fun and exciting Crazy Shakes at Black Tap Las Vegas are seriously one of a kind and make for fun conversation and amazing Instagram footage. So next time you head to Vegas, make sure you add Black Tap at the Venetian to your must-visit list. No trip to Vegas is complete without it. As I made my way inside, I started with one of their signature Crazy Shakes, the CakeShake. This thick cake batter milkshake is poured into a vanilla frosting, rainbow sprinkle, coated rimmed glass, then topped with a slice of funfetti layer cake, whipped cream, rainbow sprinkles, and of course, a cherry on top. I can't imagine a better way to celebrate your birthday or any day for that matter. Next, I had to get my hands on the cotton candy milkshake. This perfectly fruity strawberry milkshake is added to a pink and blue pearl chocolate rimmed glass, then topped with whipped cream, a pink lollipop, blue and pink rock candy, and of course, cotton candy. It is your childhood fantasy come true, my friend. The menu is packed with some of the most incredibly delicious and creative burgers, wings, and of course, milkshakes. The Crazy Shakes, as they are called, have some of the most insane flavor profiles, zany ingredients, and fun, colorful garnishes that take them way over the top.
They're so delicious. Flavor is like mind-blowing.